Hello and welcome back to AppSimpleCreator.com. This is the first training video that I will be doing. The first one is not actually a training video, but it was used to actually introduce you to AppSimpleCreator. It shows you everything that is inside our platform. It shows you how the templates we have that shows what kind of app you can create. So this is actually the first training video that I will be shooting for you, and I'm going to show you how to start building your app with our platform. Firstly, you need to have an account with us, and you need to log in to be able to see the screen that I'm showing you right now. If you don't have an account, if you don't log in, you won't be able to see it. When you log in, the first thing you want to do is to choose the template. You look around and say, okay, well, I want to create a app for something. Then you choose the template that actually fits into that type of app. For example, I want to create an app for event. Like, let's say there is a marathon coming up in Chicago, and I want to create a Chicago Marathon 2014. So I will choose this template to create app for that marathon. The first thing you will do is to select. After you select, then the next thing you want to click is use this template. If you know you don't you want to change maybe you change your mind, you want to go and choose another template, then you click this button right here that says choose another template. But for this purpose, we are going to use this template. We click this one. Then it will bring you to this page where you need to choose your app application ID. Make sure when you create your application ID, there is no space in between. So I'm going to actually use the name of the app to create the application ID. So it's going to be Chicago Marathon 2014. That will be the application ID. Then click create. Then it will bring me to this page where I can choose what platform I'm trying to create my app for, because you can create app for Android, you can create it for iPhone, iPad, and Kindle, or web app. You can create a web app as well. You can set you choose this one, then you can set other configuration now or later. If you don't want to set up all other things, you can click this configure later. If you want to go and set up others like choosing the tabs, you come to this page and you can click any of the tab you want. For this purpose, we are going to use standard tabs, and after you choose that, you click next. Then you can choose background and everything here too, and then you click next. Then you are going to be on this page that says finish. Then you click done. Once you click done, you are going to end up in this page on this page. For this purpose, I already did some changes here when I was creating a sample app, but the only change I did was changing this logo, but I will show you how to do that. Once you are on this page, this is the page. What you are seeing here is what is showing a live preview of how your app will look like when you are done. This is how it's going to look like. Okay, the first thing you want to do here is to edit pages, because this thing is it has a whole lot of pages on it. You click edit pages, and it will show you all the pages you have in this app. All these pages is available in this is included in this app. They are included in this app, and you have tabs. So the first tab we want to change, and once you click, it will show you which tab. When you scroll down a little bit, let me make sure I can see all the pages. Okay, you click on tab 1, it shows you that you're on the home page. The corresponding tab will show up here. If I click tab 2, this one will highlight. If I click tab 3, and this one will highlight. So these pages are the tabs that you see at the bottom of the page. So I'm going to start from the first tab, that is the home page. And then if I want to make changes to this page, and before I forget, to make it easy for you, when you go and edit your page, you want to edit your page here, and the first thing you want to do is to go to this icon here, click that icon and click download zip. The reason why you want to click download zip is for you to have all the images, all the graphic inside this app is right here. Inside this, all the graphic inside this app that you will need. But download it to your computer so that you will be able to, if you need to create one, you know the size. For example, I already downloaded this one and I have them here. If I want to use this, this is the icon, and the icon size is 1024 by 1024 pixel, which is in PNG file. And make sure when you create your images, they are in a transparent background PNG file. That's what you need. This is the logo for that, the logo that was inside that app before. I will change it back to that one so that you see how it is done. So once you have downloaded all these images, you want to go ahead and create the one you have, the one you need for this app. Like logo, you will need logo. What other things you may need? All these images, you may want to change it to the images of the event that you want to create. Not a whole lot, but you just go through the images and say, okay, which one do you want to replace? So if you don't need to replace anything, then that's okay. But I think you will need to at least change some of them. So after you have done that, so you have all your graphic made and you are ready to go, you come back here and you can upload it. To upload a file, like let's say you already have one that you want to, the graphic you want to use, you can go here and click upload file and upload. Like the one I used before was this one, so I upload this this logo right here. I uploaded it to use for that app. So you click on it and it will show up here and it will show up right here. But for you to be able to use it, click and get the names. For example, I already used this one. You may not see it when it change. So let me go and see the one that was there before. Like not that one. Where's the logo? Okay, the logo is right here. If you want to change it to this one, all you need to do is click and copy. For now, copy it, and then you close this one. Make sure you go down here to layout and scroll back up and click edit. Then you can change this one to whatever you want. I'm going to change it to C logo and click apply, and the logo will change. Now you see how it's looking ugly. You can fix that issue by coming down here and click design, scroll back up, and you can actually extend it to fit to look good. So that's how to change the logo, and you should be good to go from here. Now once you have done that, in case you want to change the images for all these tabs as well, like all the tabs, I mean the items, so you can change the image. Another thing is that all this link that is right here, you can actually change them. You can change what you call them. Instead of saying schedule, you can change it to calendar. And if you want to change the image, you can use image. Like all these images are beside them, you can change it. You just need to have the image size, exact size, and once you have done that, you click save. You will see that the change has taken place on this one. So once you have done that, you finish with this page, you click on done, and then once you are done, you click done again. Then you will end up on this page, and now you can go and do some modification as well. For example, this design properties, like the app name. Right here the app name will be Chicago Marathon 2014. In this one you can put a space because that's the name of the app. and you can upload background image. You can do some changes like make some changes here, the font size, the font family, the font style, the text color, and all kind of stuff. You can make that changes here, and once you are done, apply changes and click done. So now you are back to this page, and you can go here and work on tabs. Like all these tabs, you can change their name from home to whatever you want to call it. Event, you can change it, and then once you change, for example, let me change this event to marathon. It's up to you if you want to change it. If you don't want to change it, you can leave it like that. Save changes and then done. When you come back to this page, you see this one already changed from event to marathon. That's that. Then some other things you can change here that pertains, like app store information. You can see the name, and then the store description. You can say Chicago Marathon 2014 app is created to support this marathon. Download now to receive updates and news about this event. That's the description. Then keywords, you want to think of good keyword to rank your app in the app store. Something like maybe marathon run, sports, and so on, like that. So it's up to you. Support URL on your website, and then privacy policy. What's new in this fashion? If it's a new fashion, maybe you have one you already created before and you are changing some little things, maybe the images and whatever. You can tell them, because those people that already downloaded your old fashion, maybe the one you created 2 months ago, they may want to know why the new update is showing on their screen to download the new update. So you want to let them know the reason. So maybe more images added or something like that. Then contacting name and email address, your phone number, they can contact you. Then you can put username and password of your account, and then you need to upload your app icon, which you're supposed to have created before you get to this stage. If you have not created, no problem, just click on save and done, and then later on when you have the icon ready, you can come back here to do it. File name cannot be empty. First name cannot be empty, first name cannot be empty. And so after you are done, you put your name. Let me put a name, David Gray. Email address, David Gray at davidgray.com, and then the phone number is 996-123-4578. just to do this sample. Then you click save, and then you click done. And once you click done, it will bring you back to this page, and then you can, if you need to do some other things, you do it here. This is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Another training video is coming up very soon. Thank you.